Alright guys, Jeep Wrangler, yes. I don't know what year this is, but it doesn't matter. Y'all know what it's about to get. Do y'all know, can anybody guess what we're about to do to this Jeep Wrangler? Okay, based off the mere fact that all four wheels are off and we got the bottom end open up. Yes guys, we are about to lift this thing up. I want to say 2 inches. Alright, and there's different kinds of lift kits out there as far as how high up you want to go. This guy here, he installed a 6-inch lift kit on a Wrangler about 2 months ago. But interesting. Okay, there's some advantage to raising your Wrangler. In fact, let's go look at what parts they got us. Okay, Mopar make this lift kit. Well, it's got Jeep on it, but look at the pretty coils, guys. I got one of these. Must be still in the box. Yeah, still some parts in the box, but it's about. I have never installed one, guy. No. I have never. Well, I mean, it's no big deal, I guess. I mean, if you can read, if you can follow instructions, you can install a lift kit. Just keep in mind, you will be responsible for the safety of this vehicle. This is merely 2 inches. You would be responsible for, like, the underbodies. I mean, this person's life is in your hand for at least the next 2 months till the stuff break in, and then if something happened underneath, it can be possible that it's something else and not this. So I just personally have never installed one, but I don't know what the customer, what plans she have for it. All right, so yes sir, it's gonna be ready to go. I guess if you up higher, you can get in water trans, mud trans, and stuff like that, and you can play a little bit more. That's tend to be the reason why most people order or buy Wranglers. Okay, and to just still to this day, I have yet to see a Wrangler that's 2-wheel drive. They all gonna have a transfer case, which means they are gonna be 4-wheel drive. This is an 8-speed ZF. It's got the steel plate. They had to put some of the steels on some of these guys and put a brace under it, because these Jeep guys, they be on the water and they be on the dangerous territory. So they had to make that plate a little tougher than that plastic plate. It's typically on the ZF 8-speed transmission. All right, so yes, about to install a lift kit. Okay. Oh, that's just freight information. Yeah, okay, here's the other shocks and stuff right here, but look at these wheels. So it's all gonna make sense once they done, guys. So y'all stay tuned. I ain't gonna be able to film the process. The process is fairly easy. All right, and it's fairly fun to this guy. He obviously like doing them. I'll do it. You will not get an argument out of me, buddy. Knock yourself out. All right, guys, I gotta go back over here. Ooh, man, it's got a catch can on it and everything. Look at this. A Magnum? What year is the Magnum? Look at the pretty. Look at the. Man, they got it looking clean for 07.
Man. Probably gonna cut it out, but whenever y'all ready, come on down. We got you.
The 6-1.
On TV.
You stupid. They just getting a basic oil change. 40,000 miles. When do we bring it out to play? You gotta come outside and play sometime. Platinum. You think so? Oh, like he did his truck. Did he flip the truck? Alright guys, a couple hours later, let's go take a look. Here we go. The Wrangler with it was just 2 inches, guys. No big deal. You got it all done. Oh, it comes with some more bigger, powerful shocks. I guess with 2 more inches off the ground, that would be needed. Get the nice, pretty coil springs. I would like to say these are not too hard to install, guys. Nothing special, but he just wanted to be at least 2 more inches off the ground. Pretty much, you just install every part that come in the kit. Okay, yes, I got a whole new, this little lateral right here, front shock, whole new coil springs up in the front and the rear. So, and the good thing about it, guys, is this is a, oh, he's not done, is it? Oh, this could have got ugly. I'm glad I saw this, because he got the wheels on. I'm about to tell him, what are we waiting on? Well, it's not, oh, this one's off too, so they must be waiting on something else. Oh, they must got the wrong ones. Oh, guys, I got to tell them, I'm sure this is by design. Nobody forgets stuff like this. Plus, there's a boat laying around, so we'll catch them later, guys. Now, let's go down here in my style. I want to show y'all something, guys. I want to alert you guys on something. Okay, this car comes from another shop. The other shop said that they need, first of all, without displaying the car, it's a Chrysler 300. The other shop said they need a transmission. Now, because the transmission is likely under warranty, that's why they hightail it over here. All right, now look at this mess, guys. Not really a mess, but look, this is a sort of like a PTU, power transfer unit, where you can, in other words, it's not really technically 4-wheel drive, but all-wheel drive. All right, now, oh my God, I am no big fan of replacing the transmission with all this on it. In fact, I cringed when I saw it. When I lit it up in the air and go, oh my God. Bad enough it's an 8-speed, but it's an all-wheel drive 8-speed. But hooray, hooray, hooray. Chances are, this not even a problem. Guys, if you got some engine drivability problem, let me explain something to you. The relationship between the transmission and the engine, there is a huge relationship. They pretty much married, guys. They got to be on the same page. Okay, so if you have engine drivability issues, you could very well affect transmission. You can't just look over the check engine light issues and think your transmission is still supposed to be shifting. There are some codes in the PCM that will resonate, that will affect transmission operation. In fact, if you got any kind of failure, emission failure, trouble codes, disregard the transmission, how it shifts, because it's likely being affected. Okay, now in a second, I'm going to go to the computer and show y'all relationships, what I'm talking about. Okay, this is a 300, all right? It has a 3.6 Pentastar teamed up with this ZF 8-speed transmission. There's nothing wrong with this transmission, although it is not shifting the way it's supposed to. But forget that, it's not even driving the way it's supposed to. It's not idling, it's not doing anything, guys, and I'm finna tell you why in a second. In fact, guys, let's go over to the computer. I want to show you something.